So we're going to create the report now from the dataset AW. So just give it a title, product. Then we'll insert a table. Insert table. Now we'll drag across the 4 columns from AW. Product number, product name, standard cost, list price, now we'll narrow that one a bit. Drag it down a little bit here. And I'll narrow standard cost a bit. Maybe the name here I'll do it a little bit wider here. Now I'm going to bring in the properties thing here on the right hand side. Click there on view properties. There's properties now. And I'm going to go over to column groups and click on the drop down here and click on advanced mode. And this opens up some other elements of the report. But this is the one I'm interested in, static on row groups. So click on static here. So that relates to the field headings or the column headings as text. So I want them to repeat on each page of my report. So I've clicked on static and I go over here to the properties pane and I double click here on repeat on new page on the top of the false, turning it into true. Now I'll turn off the advanced mode now. And I'm just going to look at the footer at the bottom here. So we'll just enter page and one of these built-in fields. We'll take page number. After that, just make it a little bit bigger here. So page number of, and we'll do the overall total pages. So we'll just fix that up a little bit. Page of make a little space here. So that's the footer. And just one last thing is we'll just go up to product number here. Click here on for product number on the table and padding here. It's the second one here. Padding, we'll just make that one 16. That's to create some space between the first 2 columns. So we'll run that now. Click on home and run. So here we have product title, product number, and the other columns. And it's sorted by product number. And there's the footers. Okay. So we'll export that now as a PDF. So we click here on Export and PDF. Just going to call it test products 10. So save. And we look at the file now. So on one of these Adobe readers. So we file open, and it's the test products 10. We'll open that now and have a look at it. This is the file here, a PDF file. So it's a product table. Product is the heading, and we have product number, product name, standard cost, and its price. Starting and going down through that. It was page 1 of 24, and you have the date and the timestamp. So I'll just go down to the report just to show you it. These are all our products in AdventureWorks. You can see that the headings are repeated, which is great.